the Judgment Tarot Card, is about assessment of one's past before the ultimate resurrection, i.e., the rebirth of universal consciousness, finally perfected. The archangel on the picture, said to be Michael, is supposed to awaken consciousness and souls with the sound of his trumpet. The grave symbolizes the death of material illusions and desires, which belonged to lower levels of consciousness and should therefore be left behind. The people are naked because they are stripped of their past and of their old selves to be reborn purer. Upright, the Judgment card invites the inquirer to re-examine their recent past in order to assess it and open themselves up to new possibilities. If you feel like you have been putting your life on hold, now is the time for renewal, be it on the physical, emotional, or financial level. This card usually shows up when the person has been hibernating for a while, to signal the time to finally take some action, or when they're faced with a major choice that will put their life in a whole new direction. It's a good omen for all sorts of procedures, negotiations, or trips. If it's about a lawsuit or a dispute, the Judgment upright can predict an outcome in your favor. On the work front, it calls for a professional renewal, new job, or a new career altogether. Sometimes, this card announces finally finding your true calling. If applicable, the Judgment card upright can even announce the literal birth of a baby. In love, this card can mean that a couple is facing a major decision after which nothing will remain the same. For singles, a complete renewal is possible, but you have to be prepared to put the past firmly where it belongs, in the past. Keep in mind that, no matter what the context is, the Judgment card calls for making final decisions, so there's no going back once you've made them, and nothing will ever be the same again. In health, the Judgment upright is a good card for giving birth, healing, especially after a long illness. And it can also be an invitation to try alternative medicine if the inquirer is looking for a way to get back into shape. The timing of whatever this card predicts is within the next 4 months. Reversed, the Judgment card can mean lies or errors in judgment. You may be assessing a situation or a person wrong. It usually shows up when the person is stuck in an action and their life feels frozen due to fear or doubt. Maybe some timeout is required before taking any actions, as this card doesn't leave much to free will. The universe might be asking you to take a step back and let fate deal its cards. You won't be able to change much with your initiatives anyway. There are a few periods in life when, in order for something new to manifest, something old has to demanifest first. And this is what this card is saying. Sometimes, the Judgment reversed warns against possible injustice, especially if lawsuits are involved. Other times, it means that you have to deal with some old business that requires final resolution before closing the door on the past. In love, the Judgment reversed signals a relationship that has hit rock bottom or a dead end, or some disruptive event or decision makes it impossible to go back to the way the partners were before. If the person is yearning after an ex, they're not coming back, so better move on after healing. Unfortunately, this card often indicates heartbreak, but the message is eventually to heal before completely renewing your love life. If you're feeling remorse for what you have done to your ex, they're unlikely to take you back. You should apologize for the sake of your own karma, but do not expect getting back together. Singles have trouble starting over due to being stuck on past issues and will need to find a way to let go in order complete renewal, such as a makeover, may help. And if there's unresolved business with an ex, better deal with it and be done with it for once and for all. Sometimes the judgment reversed actually means that the person is refusing to self-examine their own mistakes and wrongdoings, in which case karma will have to do the work for them, and they'll have to learn the hard way. In health, the judgment reversed can predict difficulty with childbirth, like a difficult delivery of a baby, or digestive issues, especially related with the intestines, in which case detox, purging, or parasite treatment could be needed.